everybody! Today BSL will share you with an overall solution that lithium battery replace lead-acid batteries. If you are in the logistics industry, paper industry, cold storage industry, and want to use lithium battery instead of your lead-acid battery, then this video will be helpful for you to choose the right lithium battery solution. Next, I will share with you the overall solution of a lithium battery from the three aspects. First, we need to determine whether your application scenario is one shift, two shift, or three shift. This is very important for the capacity of lithium battery you choose later. And then, let's learn a little bit about the capacity of lithium batteries to replace lead-acid batteries. Normally, the lithium battery solution would be around 70% to 80% capacity of original lead-acid battery. Because compared with lead-acid battery, lithium battery could be used at 80% DOD to 90% DOD. Lead-acid battery only about 50% DOD to 60% DOD. So, BSL battery replace solution of lithium battery can be about 70% to 80% capacity of original lead-acid battery in order to make sure the high activity of the day. And if your folly is always three-shift work, we suggest you can choose the same capacity like the lead-acid battery. For 1 to 2 shifts, we suggest you can choose 70% to 80% of SLA battery solution, as the lithium battery can be fast charged in 2 hours. And you can opportunity charge the lithium battery when you have a break time. If you choose BSLBATT 38.4 voltage 1000 Ah lithium battery for fully charged in the scenario of 3 shifts, it can completely replace your 38.4 volt 1000 Ah lead-acid battery. Not only that, but the BSLBATT 38.4 1000 will give you 20% more time to work, which will greatly improve the efficiency of your fleet. The second, let's take a look at the charging problem that you are so worried about during use. If you have many lithium batteries as well as chargers, your installation scenario needs to follow certain rules to ensure that the lithium battery and charger will not trip or lose power during use. For example, the ambient temperature ranges from -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Humidity 0% to 93%. The altitude must be below 2,000 meters. Full validation is required, and the distance from the wall is greater than or equal to 0.5 meters. Use safety and leakage protection switches in all categories, specification and parameters. Safe installation and use of lithium battery charger. In addition to abide by the above installation and use rules, lithium battery charger accessories are also a very important factor. The BSLBATT charger uses the charging port of SB350 blue, SB175 red, RAMA 3208 color back, and other models. If you have special needs, you can also special order RAMA Team 6408 charging port. The RAMA Team 6408 charging port can be charged at maximum current without any hot melt and damage. Third, we've always known that lithium battery rely on an internal BMS system to monitor the battery's internal data. So how do you make it easy and intuitive to see the running data? You can get information from the car system webpage about the current status of lithium batteries and set up a group for these devices. And then go to the detail page to view the SOC. Lithium battery operating data can be uploaded to the car platform every 30 seconds if you have enough traffic. This means that any changes to the lithium battery can't escape from your computer. You can also scan code, QR code to monitor the operation information of one BSLBATT lithium battery in real time on your mobile phone. Suppose you are working on an environment without internet access, but you need to check your data on the computer. You can also connect to your computer through the CAN box turn on the battery display. Open the upper computer software, find the historical data, and then export the data. This is the lithium battery instead of lead-acid battery overall solution of 3 shares. If you want to know more about the lithium batteries, please pay attention to our channel.